Hello everybody, this is week number 8, I guess, of our series of videos. Let's see briefly what's going on here. So, looks like we got 1 subscriber recently, 3 shares, it's all my shares. There is 1 like, which is not bad, but I want more shares. So how many total subscribers we have now? It's 16. Slowly, steady. I wish it can be faster, but I cannot figure out how to do this thing. Everything is up to you, and I guess in the Google algorithms for showing my video on different channels. So what else? Probably you want to see my report about sales. I don't know. Sales. So I can choose lifetime because it doesn't matter. So there is a free sales. Total is 6.13 and my part is 3.93. I submitted for review Maxwell Entropy. It's waiting for review state. It should have history here, status history. So it's happened at May 1st, at Friday actually, last Friday, so a week ago. Normally people saying it takes around 10 days for now, so I'm hoping next Wednesday it will be Tuesday it will be on Apple Store. So let's see programming part, what we did. Mobile apps starting from May 1st. What I did, I slowed down tempo in Bus Perfect for I think for 4 levels, for Baba Black Sheep, for Old MacDonald, for 2nd and 3rd level, it says, right? For 1st level, which doesn't have name, and for Mary Had a Little Lamb. There is nothing basically to see in terms of code, like it's GarageBand project, like changes in MIDI files and OGG files. Similar thing. Also, I added the build script for Bus Perfect. I just copied and modified it a little bit from Maxwell Entropy, GarageBand project, OGG file, and next thing it's MIDI files. Also, I implemented credit screen. So basically I added 2 files, header file and source file for credit screen. In application function there is a method, and for some reason I don't know why you cannot see the name of set screen. So inside set screen I added the case credit and switching to credit screen. I did this thing in Maxwell a little bit differently. In set screen I am passing pointer, I guess, to the screen object, and there is no this sort of giant switch. I did not expect so many different screens for this game, so probably I need to refactor this thing, but it works, and there is a rule: if it works, don't touch it. So yeah, I added enumeration and I added object to credit screen in application class, and there is implementation. So processing, pushing on the screen, and basically I copy pasted it from something, I think from select level, and just refactor it. And basically there is then some finger on the screen. I just remembering the last highlighted and also draw the rectangle. And then I released finger from the screen. If before something was highlighted, I checked is it 23, and 23 it's very bottom right part of the screen. I switching to the main screen, and there is a text of credits, bus perfect, copyright, link to web page, my email, and credits like I'm developer. There is a graphic artist. Alisa made the Comic Sans or comic stripe. Milos made the icon for the game. There is a testers. It's just my friends. They were nice to test this thing, and some of people replied to me on YouTube, so I added them to test my program. Voice artist Linnea made the read the text for a tutorial, and Heather, she edited the text for description and also for text for tutorial. So there is a number of lines. Set color, I set green color, so it's RGBA, and this is G part, green part. Calculated the height of the font based on screen height and number of lines, and just iterate and draw text. And last part, I'm drawing the equal sign, and actually equal sign, it's 3 horizontal lines. That's it. This is header file, and in main screen I also added first of all I added when I tap on bottom left side of the screen to switch to credit screen, and also draw the word credits. So let me demonstrate the credits. I hope it will work. So you can see credits here, and there is no sound. Yep, we got sound, and there is a credits. So pushing here, going back, pushing here, going here, and there is a text. And also I draw lowercase characters and modified little bit the credits text. So like credit, I put the parentness around and put dashes around the sort of titles, and added drawing for all lowercase letters. And before, as you can see, it was sort of hack. I just reuse capital letters and made them slightly smaller, basically 30% smaller, first and second. Right, it's a bunch of lines, and y coordinate for line, so it's height become smaller. And then I just redraw all letters line by line. So here is it. It's first coordinate for line, it's second coordinate for line, and this, like each line here, it's line with first coordinate and second coordinate, xy, xy. So it's 4 whole letters from A to Z, and also I didn't have letters for parentheses and dash. So, and like you can see, dash is just horizontal line, like 0, 6. 6 is kind of middle, because it's from all letters I decided to have from 0 to 13, so it's some sort of in the between. And 4, 6, so you can see it's horizontal line. That's it, and probably you noticed it looks nice. With capital letters it was okay, but with small letters it's nicer, I guess. Lowercase letters, so like play, so it was probably you noticed. Now I think it's, you can see like perfect how is written. So yeah, you can see like perfect level here. Wow, it's so loud. Let me make it So also probably noticed the tempo is become slower. Hopefully it will help people, because some of testers, they were complaining it's still hard. So I'm thinking to make like first 6 levels easier. I'm sorry, 5 levels, because 6 is so that's it, I guess. This is everything for this week. Waiting for Maxwell's Entropy. Also slowly crafting Bus Perfect. Oh yeah, so let me show. I'm trying to figure out how to make in-apps purchases. So I added Bus Perfect thing, so like, and purchase, and like name, it's get the full version of the game, and description, provide access to all levels. So these things, so I'll make 3 or 6 levels on Bus Perfect, and to buy other levels, it's like, so game still is going to be $1.99, but like in US, because somebody said like in Russia it's almost 200 rubles, but it's not like this. This thing I don't understand. It's like 100 something. I just checked. What is Russian? Yeah, 119 rubles. Anyway, so this thing, hopefully I will figure out how to do this thing. Should not be complicated. So what else? Let me show you what I did for recording. I modified the little recording software, and hopefully it's made recording better. Where is it? Yeah, fix frame remover script, implement AV sync correction. It was in 1 month ago. Fix crash. Yeah, this thing I also fixed long time ago, but I forgot it. I forgot to commit this thing. And I was making some performance improvement. First of all, I'm operating with 3 components of colors, so I removed A, and because I'm processing everything in 3, I was thinking I do not need A, and it's will make memory more compact. But somebody said I do not need to worry about compactness of memory, because I'm processing everything in sequence, so I will not hit the cache misses. But anyway, so like it's drawing procedures, change a little. Let me disable. Right, now it's better. Also, this thing actually was good improvement. So before I was drawing the preview screen like as fast as possible, and now it's 10 times per second. So which is fine for me, but it's really improved the performance. I think I just moved width and height on top of resize, and like do this thing, and it's 3 instead of 4. Also, I'm printing FPS, so I can know is it improving or not. And here, because original video is how to say this thing is 4 components per pixel, and I make it 3 components per pixel, so I need to skip 4th component of pixel, so I need to do it like this instead of this loop. Transform, and probably I need to do it also sequentially, so it will make things slightly faster. Right, I did this thing for 2 components, actually for all components. So before I had 3 loops, and in each loop I was computing different components again and again, like Y, U, and V. And this thing not cache friendly, because I'm processing whole image 3 times. So I need to load data from memory 3 times, and now it's a 1 loop. So I'm going for all images only once. So I need to, like, CPU loads image from memory only once. So this thing kind of improved performance. But the biggest thing which improved recording performance, it was for some reason this thing, like GPU was kind of overloaded with constant redrawing. That's it, I guess. Right, okay, so hopefully see you next Friday. Please share, like, and subscribe on my videos. Bye.